I'm Steve Horton, a 7th and 8th grade science teacher at Orangedale Junior High Prep Academy, and we're going to help these students learn about water.
No. Yes. The students went to different restrooms and sinks around campus, and they were measuring the flow of water in a 5-second burst of how much water comes out, and then they measured 3 times to see, like an average of the amount of water. Definitely the kids noticed that they were wasting water, and they started making connections with what was going on at home. They're like, hey, my sink at home does the same thing. It just keeps running, or it drips, or it leaks, and it really made them think about what was going on in their own lives.
One of the things you could do to conserve at home is probably turn off the water while we're brushing our teeth or doing the dishes, and when we're washing our hands, not to take as long as we usually would, and to take shorter showers.
One of the kids made the comment yesterday that he wanted to go home and tell his mom, because he said, well, my mom has to pay the gas and the trash and the water, and she always struggles to pay the bills, and I want to save her some money. I'm going to help my mom.
I think the best part about this class and what we're doing right now is the fact that we can help conserve water for pretty much the whole United States and Arizona.
No matter where you are teaching, it's hard to get the students to really understand why their education is important, but something like this really brings it to a personal level with them. Because we all share the same ecosystem, so it's important for them to realize that they have a responsibility that's involved with it.